So I'm back at the MX135 here, and I was just making my last video, and I seen it here, and I thought I'd make a video on it again. So we were looking at it with another mechanic, and the way it was acting was, he figured it was the fuel pump, and it was so strange because this piece right here, we got the loader off of it right now. This piece right here, there's a little valve in there with a spring and little washers on it. Well, we took the MX120 over there and we just changed it across, and it ran. It was running. And when we took it back out and put the old one back in, it wouldn't run. So we figured there's the problem. So we ordered new parts, the new valve and everything that goes in there, and it wouldn't work. It wouldn't run. And it still feels like it's hydro locking, like it pressures up and then it lets go, and it starts for 2 seconds and quits. But it was running. But that day it was, the next day it was running. We got it to, I don't know what happened. Oh, this thing is dirty. I don't know what happened, but it was, I can't even remember now. But we got the power shift here, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you got your 4 gears. And 4 power shifts in each gear. I don't know what happened, but it was running, and it was set like this and it was running. And then we went to third. And then as soon as we went to second, it stalled. Put it back like that, fired it up, it ran. And then I tried it again, stalled. Now, they're telling me that it needs to be split because the first and second clutch packs are gone. Or the second clutch pack is gone and jamming it somewhere. So I went to start it here day before yesterday or so, because I wanted to take it by the pressure washer and wash it off before I take it in. And now it won't start. It doesn't matter what gear it's in. So I really don't know what's wrong with it. Definitely there's a pressure building up and making it hard to turn over, and then it releases and starts for 1 second and quits. Almost like you turn the key on and off. So I'll do it again here. And it'll probably start. See, that's weird. It didn't do that day before yesterday. That is very strange. To me, I don't know what it is. It's almost acting like a fuel pump again. But why is it hydro locking and pressuring up? See, it's almost like it's not getting fuel. And there it pressures up again. So then when, if you leave it for a bit, it'll spin right over again and start. So like I said before, I don't know what it is. This one's got me stumped. I'm supposed to get it into John Deere, but without it running, I can't get it on my trailer to get it there. So I might have to rig up some pulleys and snatch block to get it on there. Then I have my 2096 right there, which is also going to go in. I got a guy that's going to work on it too. That tractor needs to be split. It has a clutch issue. So I'm running out of tractors. Anyway, leave your comments below. See what you guys think. Tell me what you think. I always like reading the comments. So yeah, leave your comments below, and I'll try and get back to you. Now it's raining. I think I'll go answer some comments now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later.